My name is Michael Cole, and this is my Maker portfolio. My plan is to go through chronologically and build into my most recent experience. Coming out of middle school and for my first 2 years in high school, I ran a videography business. I started with freelance editing for online creators and then moved into camera work for my school sports teams, growing our social media accounts to thousands of followers. Around this time, early in high school, I realized I was interested in software engineering. So I joined my school's robotics team and eventually worked my way up to the title of lead programmer. There, I worked on things like autonomous routes generated on the fly and complex trajectory calculations. I helped my team go from near last to placing top 10 in regional competitions and eventually even winning an off-season event. Later, I decided to pivot from solely focusing on robotics programming to something a little bit more entrepreneurial, startups. I got the opportunity to work at a number of companies, the first of which was Lookbook, a fashion social app. I developed over 150 web scrapers for getting product information of every item available for sale on almost every major fashion website. From this experience and getting to know some founders, I realized that I too could start my own startup. So I founded Gist, an AI-powered data tool for teachers. I would feed in all submissions for a given assignment to an AI, and through complex sets and subsets of prompts, would generate qualitative feedback for teachers, as well as give a number for suggested grades based on the teacher's submitted rubric. Gist would then identify trends across the class's submission and suggest things to mention to students. While building Gist, I attended some hackathons, at one of which I built Album Collage. Album Collage used a new image segmentation model that would identify a segment of an image. By feeding this model a bunch of different album covers across genres and then overlaying these segments, I was able to create collages that displayed what this model's preferences were and created a unique piece of digital art. Then, after Gist, I got into a new space, mobile apps. The first app I built was IC Social, a social media app for BBYO's international convention that focused on fostering new relationships between attendees of the conference. Due to me having a couple of friends in attendance, I was able to quickly grow the app to over 1,500 users. My next project was a social sobriety app, which aimed to make the sobriety journeys of groups of friends easier by taking advantage of competitive spirit. Just as I was about to launch the app, I got the opportunity to work for a new company called 10x. 10x was framed as the generative Duolingo for every skill set, and was founded by someone I looked up to in the mobile app space. I helped build the user interface of the core functionality of the app, the gamified questions, and also built the pipelines for generating thousands of pieces of static content to come with the app upon download. After launching 10x towards the end of the school year, I began to look for summer jobs. I quickly came across WAP. After landing the job, I got to work on building features for a product with over 12 million users. I built features our users loved, managed a complex tech stack, and wrote code in languages I'd never used before. I built out our email marketing framework that sent over 1 million emails a day, which was extremely important for user retention. I built these email notifications with virality in mind, trying to make the emails for, say, payments as screenshotable and shareable as possible. I also built out easy quick messaging and admin actions that increase quality of life for our users. Hopefully now you have an idea of some of the stuff I've made. Thanks for watching.